Alright guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to the channel. This is Racer J and we are in Skelmerdale at the moment, just about to leave. So we're on our way to Saint Helens and I will set off now. I hope it's recording okay, I hope you can see everything fine. If not, you won't see this video obviously. If it is, then enjoy the drive. Let me do this tight turn here. Look at this. There we are, no problem. Straight through. Little bit tricky getting onto that bay, I tell you. Anyway, no more talking, let's drive. Go. Just putting my armrests down. That's what all that noise was. Anyway, alright, I would have gone, but that car driver hasn't got the memo. There's enough space. I can go. Plenty of driving time. I'm not in my usual truck. I got it back yesterday and it was fine. The truck was absolutely beautiful. I was driving it. Sorry, I had just collected it from the... Well, I need to be in the wrong other lane. Oops. Hold on. Sorry guys. Yep, got it. So I was, yeah, the truck had been into the garage, and I got it back yesterday. I was driving it all day, all shift, sorry, and on my last drop, the lights decided to fail on me. So it's had to go back into the garage again. An electrical fault has occurred. So yep, now I'm in this. So yeah, now I am in this. Jeez, that was late, my friend. That was late. Yeah, I can go. You really did not need to brake like that. You see, we got to be ready for anything doing this. My gosh, he's really slow. I need to get. There we go. You can see what I'm trying to do. Thank you. Get over. Let me get past this fellow because he's a little bit heavy, it seems. Going very slow. Didn't need to squeeze me like that. I don't know why you're squeezing me, but hey, you want to be a problem, mate? You'll find somebody who's not as calm as me. I'll tell you that. Because there's plenty of room in this left-hand lane for truckers to give space to people or truckers or other truckers who are overtaking them. There's plenty of space. I mean, look at my line there, if you can see it. I'm on the white line almost, and then on my right side there's plenty of space there if somebody was overtaking me. But a lot of truckers, they don't have that courtesy to do simple things like that, and they can do it. We are good drivers, so many of us, so don't know what his problem is, you know. Right, just back off here because we are heading towards a queue and somebody might just want to cut across. There we are, you see. Couple of truckers want to cut across here. Car drivers, truckers, what's going on then? Why are they doing that? That's why. I think he's rear-ended him, I think, yeah. Oh, I need to be in this left-hand lane here. Both going to the same place. So jump into the left-hand lane, give somebody else who's on the right the chance to overtake me if they need to, and then nobody there, but I just did it anyway. Good common practice that, I think. If you're a new trucker, do that. You won't get so many people annoyed with you. Okay, traffic lights not working here, so we have the right of way. That's good. She gave way. Our exit, I believe. Yeah. Don't know why I'm indicating. Whoa, look at this road. twisty. It's alright if you're in a car, you can fly through there. Nice twisty road. Okay, so we're joining, so we indicated already. He's moved out of the way, giving me space. Nice. And now we're joined. Nice, no problem. So we're all down to 50 on here. Don't you just love roadworks? Necessary evil, roadworks. Road noise. Flatbed really wants to get going, but everybody else is just sat in the middle lane, not pulling over. That's the problem, isn't it? See it all the time. We can only use 2 lanes. Oh, here we are. Get across, because it looks like they just want to fly on without stopping and giving way. Prepare for them, you know, drive for them. Right, so we're taking the next exit. And video's not going to be that long. I'm going to just get off on my exit. I'll get onto my exit, and then we'll finish after that, quite shortly after that. So
after half a mile, exit the motorway.
Are you sure, lady? Are you sure? She better be. I know she's sure. I don't know where I'm going, so it's all good. It's a tight right here.
Take the next right.
Come on, come on. There we are. Traffic lights, I think. Yeah, there we are. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you've liked what you've been watching, please like, subscribe for more HGV POV. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.